In this video, we will see about hazard relationship. Okay, so hazard relationship is also known as composition or aggregation. So why we use hazard relationship? Basically, for similar to the inheritance, I can say, like advantage of inheritance is what code reusability, right? So in hazard relationship, also we can say that it is for the code reusability purpose. Okay, it is also known as composition aggregation, and there is no a specific keyword to implement it, but generally we use new operator to implement, I can say, has a relationship. Okay, like suppose let's take one example. I can say that, so we have one bicycle, right? We have one bicycle. Okay, so we have some bicycle, I can say like this. Okay, sorry for diagram. So it is having something like this one, I can say. And okay, it is like this way, I can say, and like this way. Okay, so we have this bicycle, I can say. Okay, so this is what we are having. So without tire, is it possible, like, to uh, I can say, to contain any of the cycle? Is it possible? No. Without tire, cycle is no existence, I can say. Okay, so in this I can say, like, I will take one class. I'll take one class. Okay, class, I can say, tire. I'll take class as a tire, and we will try to write something inside this, whatever the functionality. Like I can say, we will check the total how much spokes are available inside this, or I can say, like tire rubber, what is the quality of the rubber. We are checking everything inside this, and if it is fine, so we are defining like this way. I can say inside the any of the method, I can say, like tire specific method, I can say inside this method we are defining all this functionality. Okay, so now I will take one another class. Okay, one another class, that is I am taking the class, I can say, cycle, right? So this cycle is having whatever it is. We can write like this, like we have taken tire. So this tire, I can say, like, we will try to get tire equal to, I can say, whatever the we will take one variable like ty equal to, I can say, new tire. With the help of new tire. Okay, so like this way, with the help of new keyword, we can create has a relationship with this tire. Cycle has a tire, yes, cycle has a tire. So we can say like this. Okay, so this is okay, again, we can, whatever the functionality, whatever the methods available inside this, we can use this with the help of new. And if I wanted to get the methods of this tire, I can say, so we can write like ty dot whatever the tire specific method we can write, and we can call inside this. So like this way we can call. Okay, so yes, so but like, so this is nothing but we can say, it is just like a composition, and it is a strong bonding, I can say, with the tire and cycle, right? So it's a strong bonding, means a strong association. So yes, so this is what we can say. Now we need to see for aggregation. Okay, so what is aggregation? Let me delete this, whatever it is we have written here. Let me delete this. Okay, so let me delete this, whatever it is, let's delete this. Okay, now the association, I can say, is whatever the department, like suppose if our department, in the sense like some corporate office, like suppose we are having one corporate office. Come on, what is happening? This one is happening. Okay, so let's come here. Okay, we have one, I can say, oh my god, this one is happening. Okay, so we will take like this. So we have one corporate office like ABC corporate office, where all engineers work, I can say, IT engineers. And inside this, there is some employees are available inside this. Okay, like employee, I can say EMP1, then EMP2, EMP3, like dash dash dash, I can say EMPN. Okay, EMPN. So this is how it is. Okay, so like suppose I can say, that we can consider this is a, I can consider as a container object, right? Container, this is a container we will consider. So inside container, whatever the contained object it is, so this we can say as a contained, TINED, sorry for that, contained object. We can say that these are the contained object. So without contained object, is it possible to like uh, is it possible to exist this corporate office? Like suppose if some of the employees wanted to make resign from this organization, so will this organization will be demolished or end? I can say no, this is not possible. So it will be still exist. So without content object, if container is still, if container can still exist, so we can say this is nothing but aggregation. So inside aggregation, we can say it's a weak association, I can say. Okay, it's a weak association. But composition is what, it's a strong association. Okay, so let's whatever we have discussed as of now, there is no specific, yes we can, as we have seen, with the help of new keyword we can do like this. Okay, so what is composition? So without existing container object, if there is no chance of existing content object, then that relationship we can say that composition, and it's a strong association as we have seen as a tyrant cycle. Okay, okay, so here we can see like book has a page. So if page is not available, then there is no existence of book. So every pages if we can remove. Okay, if pages is not available inside book, so there is no existence of book, I can say. So it's a composition and it's a strong association. And aggregation, I can say without existing container object, if there is no chance to exist content object, then we can consider that as a aggregation and it's a big association, I can say. Yes, so in corporate office, employee 1 to 3, whatever it is, if any of the employee wanted to make resign, still corporate office will exist. Okay, so this is how a composition and aggregation, and this is how we can derive has a relationship. Okay, thank you so much.